Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation today on phonemes, the building block of language. And my name is Syaira Prasataregan and my name is 2413500022. What are phonemes? Phonemes are the smallest unit of sound in a language that can distinguish one word from another. They are the basic building blocks of spoken language, while letters are the written representation of sounds. Phonemes are the actual sound themselves. The role phoneme in language. This is another slide. Two slide. Phonemes are absolutely central to language. They are the fundamental building blocks of spoken communication, and their role is multifaceted and critical. Here, this is the example. Their key function, distinguish meaning the primary role. This is the most crucial role of phonemes. They are the smallest unit of sounds. The difference in just one phoneme change the entire meaning. Without phonemes, we wouldn't be able to communication breakdown. Alright, just one phoneme can change the entire meaning of a word. So without phoneme, we wouldn't be able to different between words. And without phoneme, we we cannot be able to different between words. Alright, for the next slide is sound versus phoneme. While phoneme and sound are related in linguistics, they represent different level of analysis. Sound or phoneme, sound or technically a phone is a concert physical unit of speech. It's the actual accurate vibration or articulator movement produced by your vocal organs. Sound are what we physically hear and produce. So a phoneme is an abstract mental unit of sound in particular language. It uses smallest unit of sound. It's that can distinguish meaning between words in that language. Phonemes are not physical sound themselves, but rather categories or mental representation of sounds. For example, in bahasa Indonesia, consider jari versus dari. The difference between the G sound and the D sound is what changes the entire meaning of the word. So jari versus dari. And another example is kabar versus kamar, different by B versus M. Kamar versus kabar. Another example is zip versus zip. Different word is S versus Z. Zip versus zip. For distinguish meaning, the primary function of phoneme is to distinguish word. Meaning this is called the distinctive function. Changing a single phoneme in a word can result in a new word with different meaning. Example in bahasa Indonesia ya, jari versus dari, the difference is J versus D. Alright, this is minimal pairs. Minimal pairs is a pair of words that differ by only one phoneme. They show that two sounds represent different phoneme. Example, kabar versus kamar. The difference is B versus M. Kabar versus kamar. Look like same but different meaning. Zip versus zip. S versus Z versus Z. Zip versus zip. and the different word is S versus Z. Minimal pairs help identify phoneme in a language. Building word and role. Building word and roles phoneme combine to form morphemes, the smallest unit of meaning. Morpheme build up into words and sentences. Each language has rules for combining phoneme called phonetic. For example, some languages allow consonant cluster like star at the start of word. Street, others do not. Phonemes and allophones. Finally, let's touch upon allophones. Allophones are variations of a single phoneme. They sound slightly different depending on the context in which they appear, but importantly, they do not change the meaning of the word. A common example in English is the phoneme with P. We have P as in pet, which is aspirated, meaning a puff of air follows the P. P as in spot, which is on the both are from of the phoneme P, and the word meaning remains the same. The word meaning remains the same regardless of which allophone is used. Alright. Conclusion is phonemes are far more than just abstract linguistic concepts. They are fundamental tools for our everyday communication. They enable us to distinguish between words, construct meaningful expression, and comprehend spoken language with precision. Without phoneme, our speech would be a continuous, undifferentiated stream of sound. Phonemes provide the essential structure that allows used to share ideas, express feeling, and convey information accurately and effectively. Furthermore, understanding phoneme is not just for linguistics. Is crucial for language learners, educators, and anyone looking to improve their pronunciation and listening skill. By mastering phoneme, we gain a deeper awareness of how language functions at its most basic level, and we achieve greater control over how we use language in various contexts. Ultimately, phonemes are the invisible thread that holds spoken language together, shaping how we think, how we speak, and how we connect with others through track words. Alright, thank you for listening. I hope you understand what I say. And if you didn't understand, you can chatting me on room chat. Alright, for the review is I want to review materi tadi. Phonemes are the smallest unit of sound in language that can distinguish one word from another. And we talk about what are phonemes. Phonemes are the smallest unit of sound in language that can distinguish one word from another. And the role of phonemes in language. Phonemes are absolutely central to language and play a multifaceted and critical role. Smallest unit of sound. So, thank you for listening. I hope you understand what I say. And we talk minimal pairs, C versus Z, different is S versus Z, and phoneme and allophone. And conclusion, phoneme are far more than just abstract linguistic concept. And thank you for listening. I'm Syahira Kilaprasya-Tarigan. I hope you understand what I talk about the phoneme. Thank you so much.